You know where I'm at? It's tough. Full surrender, full trust in the universe, in life. I have just gotten some information yesterday about things I need to undergo in the new year as part of my healing, as part of my completion regarding my health, and lessons I've learned first time around when I first was encountering this whole health thing that I went through this. I was a bit pushy. I was a bit controlling about telling the doctor, can you try and do it this way? Can you try and do it that way? Can we do this timing? Can we do that? And I'm not doing it this time because I have to undergo another operation in the new year. And I'm literally, the only thing I'm doing is, may it occur in a way that is most safe, highest possible outcome, best outcome, in keeping with the notion that everything I've lost is restored tenfold and even better. So I really want you to know that that is the key thing. Like when we're trying to manifest stuff, sometimes it's not about getting really specific about what you specifically timing wise, or no, just the notion of visualizing full safety, health, and surrendering to the timing that is presented to you versus trying to control it. And I feel exhausted by this process, this medical process I've been through, but I feel like I'm on literally the trajectory to the ending of it, to getting to the other side of it. And I'm not going to repeat initial, I'm not going to say mistakes, but initial ways of being that I feel are not as disciplined a way to be. And so I'm inviting you to consider that if you're involved in some sort of a marathon-esque, arduous process, whether it's your health or your business or relational, get into the very specific practice of every time you want to control it. What about this? And what about that? Surrender. Really just, you got a plan? Well, the universe has a plan. And let's just defer to the higher energy of the universe's plan, especially when it comes to things like health and doctors and all that stuff. It's like, you're not the doctor. The doctor knows best in that regard. Regarding business, well, sometimes you're just not in control of the timing in any way. So it's like there's a lot of surrender of random stuff that needs to happen. So take this for what it is and see if this applies to you and resonates for you, and just wishing you an amazing day. And when in doubt, surrender. When in doubt, let it go. When in doubt, replace anxious thoughts with, I give this over to you energy, give it up. Like, here you go, universe, take it and transmute it. And don't bring your own sort of egoic, pushy energy, which I have a lot of, and I'm for sure learning to undo it. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon.